In this tutorial, we will show you how to parse an email address from PDF using PDF.co document parser and Zapier. We will use this sample PDF and parse the only email address that is added to it. First, let's set up the Zapier action. Let's choose PDF.co as the app event and the document parser as the action event. Then, connect your PDF.co account to perform the Zap. Now, we will show you how to create the email address parser template. In the PDF.co document parser online template editor, click on the Load Test PDF or image and select the PDF document you want to upload. Then, click on the Add Object button and select the Add field from Rectangle Selection. This will allow us to select a specific area where we want to extract the email address. In the Expression field, enter this regex to extract the email address and click on the regex box. Run the template to see the result. Then, click the Save Template and Return button to get the template ID. This is the new template ID that we made. Next, let's configure the document parser. In the Input field, enter or select the link to the PDF source file. In the Templated field, enter the template that you made to parse the email address. Then, let's send our document parser configuration to PDF.co to test and review. Great! We have successfully parsed the email address from the PDF, and you can then turn the Zap on. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.